Now, earlier today, police conducted a stop and search operation in Eldorado Park as part of the continuous Operation Shanela, which aims to curb and prevent crime. Now, the operation resulted in the arrest of more than 1,000 suspects for various offences, and this is including gender-based violence, drug dealing, and possession of unlicensed firearms.
Iphulo lokubamba ucwangco i-Operation Shanyela ngentseni yanamhlanje lityelele kwindawo yase-Eldorado Park apho lenze inkqubo zoqoqo kwindlela iGolden Highway. Umkomishinala wephondo laseRhawutini uLieutenant General Tommy Mthombeni nokhokheleli iphulo uthi babambe ngaphaya kwewaka labarhanelwa futhi esithi basezithendeni zabo bophula umthetho.
We have since started yesterday with Operation Shanyela. With our detectives, suspect raiding, we managed to arrest 1,015 suspects wanted, and 220 gender-based violence. For the week under review, in terms of sentences, we had 220 years, of which out of that 7 is life sentences. We are, of course, on the second phase in India. I must just indicate that before we came here as well, our crime intelligence have done a sterling work. They have managed to arrest a person for possession of drugs. As we know, Eldorado Park is troubled in terms of drugs. The drugs are there are 103 Mendrax tablets for the star. And the concern is that we have to dig deeper and check as to say where does these drugs is coming from.
Eli phulo lichazwe njengelo libe yimpumelelo njengoko likhokhelele nasekubanjweni kwabarhanelwa ebebezingelwa ngamapolisa.
We have been presented by 28 firearms confiscated with 34 arrests of those firearms and 109 for the drugs. I must just indicate that what is of importance again today, this morning, is that we have arrested a person who's linked with the murders of the bus drivers for Rea Vaya. We remember there was 2 bus drivers, those who were shot and killed in Morocco and Protea Glen. So this morning we can confirm that we have arrested one of those.
Umkomishinala uthi basaza kuqhubeka nokunika ingqwalasela kwiziganeko zolwaphulo-mthetho ezixhalabisayo ukuquka nendawo eziqatseleyo ngezenzo ezichasene nomthetho. Kwiindaba zeSoweto TV, ndinguNomzabalazo Mduka, e-Eldorado Park.